Well, I'm in the city today, so this episode will be a little different. Thanks for tuning in again on Amazing Kitchen. So we'll be doing tiramisu as well as some giveaways. Well, not giveaways, but a hefty discount on items for Valentine coming up. All right, so stay tuned till the end, and then yeah, let's get into it. So today we will be visiting this, the photography museum or camera museum. So let's get into it. what do you think of this episode? Do you enjoy the museum as well as the tiramisu? Tiramisu is one of my favorite dessert. So it's something I really feel enjoyable to share with everyone. And by the way, if you notice, it doesn't contain any alcohol. So it's good and safe for all children and family. So I thought I'd do that. Some people think maybe with some liqueur it would taste a little bit better. But it's all very subjective. But I thought without the alcohol, then the family and the kids can also enjoy it as well. Alright, well, I guess that's about it. I'll show you a little more shots of this museum and its surrounding. And remember to subscribe if you haven't yet. And if you have, check out our playlist and hit the bell button so you'll be notified for the next time when we have a posting. Alright, well, I guess that's it. Oh, there's one more thing before I forget. Remember I mentioned in the beginning that there's a discount for products for Valentine? Okay, I'll leave it in the description below. Please check. So there'll be a link where you can purchase items from Amazon and have it shipped directly to you. And you get like a 80 or 90% off, I think. So you get the item essentially for like $2 or $3. So it's a very good item, especially now when the coronavirus is spreading widely around the world. There's protection pendants that is for sale, so go check it out. I mean, maybe you might find something you like or something you can find for your loved one for Valentine. Well, I mean, now's the opportunity. I think the first 30 or 40 buyers will get the discount, and then it'll just revert back afterwards after Valentine. Okay, well, give it a try and check it out.